High school hockey back in action tonight. Bowling Green taking on defending state champs St. Francis. First period, Knights come out red hot, already up 1. Bobcats with the turnover. John Jaros rockets this one into the back of the net. Knights with the early 2-0 lead, but Bowling Green fights right back into it in the second period. Throwing shots at the net. Puck comes back out to Kaden Wisniewski. Bouncing puck and bounces it right past Jackson Smalley. Bobcats tie this up at 2 apiece. Knights, though, the constant pressure at the net will shear off the crossbar and in as St. Francis holds on from there to get the 3-2 win.
You know, first period was great. We got a little too high. Second period, we didn't do our job, but third period, I feel like we were keeping them to their side for sure.
Ben Wilcox and Matt Crandall have more.
Back here one final time from Sylvania Tam O'Shanter, Ben Wilcox with Matt Crandall. St. Francis getting it done, a 3-2 win in dramatic fashion over the Bowling Green Bobcats. St. Francis taking that 2-0 lead early on in the first period. Bowling Green stormed back, and that power play eventually breaking through for St. Francis being the difference tonight, and a fantastic goaltending effort by Smalley.
Smalley played excellent, of course, starting goaltender for last year's state championship team. They unveiled the banner for the state championship before the game, their third state title. So they were jacked up, took an early 2-0 lead, but it took that championship swagger to stay in the third period. It was tied 2-2, got the power play they wanted. Will Shear picked up the goal on a broken play, but that's the way it goes.
Give a lot of credit as well to the St. Francis penalty kill, holding Bowling Green to 0 for 6, including about a minute 41 of 5-on-3. They had to be sharp, and they were.
Yeah, and Smalley was probably their best defender as far as penalty killing goes, because Bowling Green did pick it up. They were sloppy in the first period on their first 2 penalties, but after that they picked it up. They were moving the puck well, couldn't solve Smalley with the man advantage, and that was a big part in the game. Gave St. Francis the chance to win in the third, and they did.
A good showing both ways. Should be a really fun run through the season. That'll do it here from Tam O'Shanter. Back to you.